So I am starting out with an OG product of mine. This is the St. Ives Acne Control Scrub. It has 2% salicylic acid in it. And I'm just going to rub this all over my face and make sure I get like a good amount of it on there. And then I'm going to get in the shower and wash it out when I get out of the shower. So next I'm going to be taking this product by Sand and Sky. This is their Emu bounce mask. It's good for hydration. My skin is really dry and I really need this to add some moisture to my skin. I'm going to be setting my timer for 10 minutes and this is what it looks like after it's been 10 minutes, and I just washed that off in the bathroom. I almost said in the shower, in the bathroom. And then I'm going to take this derma roller. This is like a micro needling kit, and this basically is going to open up my pores and prepare my face and my skin for the next products that I use. I highly recommend micro needling because it helps get rid of fine lines and wrinkles, and it helps with the blood flow in your face, and it also helps with hyperpigmentation. So next, this is a microdermabrasion kit, and I'm basically going to be using this around my T-zone area to get to clean my pores. And it has 3 settings: normal, oily, and dry. And I put it on dry. No, I put it on oily, and I should have used dry. But you're basically going to see what I do and how I clean my pores. So here I tried to show y'all the stuff that I got out, but it was obvious you couldn't see it. So next I'm going to go on with this tretinoin cream. I paid $104 for this. It was prescribed by my PCP, and this is basically also going to help with fine lines and wrinkles, evening out skin tone, and hyperpigmentation. Now be very careful when using this because I was using it twice a day, and my doctor said once a day, and my skin was very dry, irritated, and peeling. So here I'm going to take some masks for my eyes. Eye patches is what they're called. And I'm just going to place these on. And I really like these. And I'm sad that I can't find this brand anywhere anymore because I really like these. And it's like I can feel it. You know how you put a product on your face and you can feel it working? I definitely feel it with these eye patches. So now I'm going to go in with this Aquaphor, and this is basically just going to calm down my skin, and it's also going to bring back some moisture. So this product here just helps with tightening and firming of the skin, and I'm still trying to learn how to use it that in a way that works best for me, or the correct way I should say. But I got this from Amazon, and it will be linked in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. So lastly, I'm going to go in with the Wake Up Eye Gel by Good Molecules, and I'm just going to be patting that underneath my eyes, and then I'm going to go over it with this little roller thing that I previously used just to help penetrate that into the skin. Now we have clean, fresh, hydrated skin, and we can get ready for bed.